Hi, hello friends. It's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And I do share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Right now, I have a pile of subscription boxes that are waiting to be filmed. I just got back from Hawaii, and they all came when I was gone. So today, I am going to share the Chic beauty box. And so let's get to it. All right. Okay, so I'm a little bit mad at this box right now. So I'm going to tell you something else first. I just got on the Ipsy website, and I am wearing pink, and I'm wearing this pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I have lost a sister and now a niece that's struggling right now with her cancer, and so I just spent the day with her yesterday, and I just wanted to wear pink in honor of breast cancer awareness. And you know I like pink, my pink look. So today I'm actually wearing I just filmed Ice Cream Beauty, and they had a breast cancer awareness bag with all pink stuff. So that's what I'm wearing. But I also got on the Ipsy site today. They have a sale right now. And this, for those of you, I know some of you have liked the pink look. So this right here, this palette, this is the Violet, it's the Berries and Cream Dream by Violet Voss. It's a very good palette. It's $12 right now. I think that's the cheapest I've seen it. So I just wanted to share that. If you want it, might be a good time to run and grab it. Also the Sakura palette. This is my first big pink share. I use a lot of the pinks in here when I want to do a pink look. So there is that. And this was $14, which is a really good buy, especially for, let's see, it's got 18, I think, 18 shadows in it. But anyway, that's a good one. And then the last one, the Mally Beauty Best Dress Lids. I noticed this one, it's got a little bit of pinks, but it's a lot of neutrals. And this one's only $10 right now. It's the cheapest I've seen these three palettes. So if you want to head to Ipsy and pick those up, just want to let you know about them. Okay, I said I was sharing the Chic beauty box. So now I'm really going to get to it. But anyway, the reason why I'm not happy is I know a lot of people have been really happy with their Chic beauty, but they have made a mistake every single time on my box. And I've gotten one less item than I'm supposed to get. They told me last box that they were going to replace that item. They would send it in this box. Well, I got this box, and I think I might have gotten something that was maybe considered a replacement because I don't see it on the card anywhere. But then I only received 4 items. 4 items again instead of 5. You're supposed to get 5 items in your beauty box. So I don't know. Like I said, very disappointed, but let's go ahead and get to it. The first thing I have here is foundation, and it is the Cover FX foundation. This is valued at $44. I do really like Cover FX products. I have my favorite foundations, you know that. So I don't know. We'll see how this works. I'm hoping this isn't the color, because if it is, that's way too light for me. And, oh my gosh. How is that a foundation? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, now I'm even more mad at this box, because I've seen other people open their boxes and they're like, oh, my foundation is perfect. It fits me. And this one does not fit me. I could try it as a concealer. I don't know. But anyway, so there's that. The next thing I have in here is also by Cover FX. And like I said, I'm happy with, I like Cover FX the beauty products. But this one is the Shimmer Veil. And this is valued at $28, I believe. And this, I believe, I don't know if it's a, okay, it's just, it looks like it's for eyes. Can you see that? Yeah, it's got a really nice shimmer to it. I like that. So anyway, there's that. Like I said, it's good brand, good product. So I'm not too mad at that. That's $28. They do have a drugstore item in here. Sometimes they throw in a drugstore item. This is Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner. It's a black. It looks like a really good eyeliner, fine tip, which I like. So I will probably use that. And then the last thing I got in my box was from It Cosmetics, and it is the Pillow Lips. It's called, let's see, the Pillow Lips Solid Serum is what they call it. It is valued, I believe, at $26. Yep. It's a solid lip gloss. Now, there's that. Okay, so let's, it's kind of a bright pinky color. I'm trying to get it up. I can't get it to pull up. Seriously. Oh, okay, sorry. It's got a little clicker on the bottom. I was gonna blame that on, of course that doesn't really bring it up much either. I don't know if it, anyway. It's got a little clicker on the bottom. This is, it's kind of a reddish, pink, reddish. I'll just keep adding to my lips. Anyway, I do like It Cosmetics. I do like this. This is a berry color. I will wear it. It's a good winter color for me. So anyway, that's that. So I got the Cover FX eye shimmer, the It Cosmetics lip gloss, the Maybelline liner, and the Cover FX foundation, which is not a go for me. I'm supposed to have had one more thing. I believe it was like a highlighter palette that I was really excited about. Saw other people get it. Once again, I did not get that in my box. But they did put one extra thing in my box. So I don't know if this was supposed to be part of my box or if this was makeup for the last thing that they didn't put in my box and they just wanted to throw an extra item in. But this is Smashbox, always on dual molten. It's got a, what are these? This is what it looks like, and then the colors are Rust Fund and EXO. Let's see what that's called. EXO, VLADA, Vlada, whatever that is. So here it is. There's two lippies in here, and they look highly pigmented and kind of a glossy sheer. Let's see what they look like on. Okay, that's a pretty rusty color. Not necessarily my color, but I kind of like the tone of it. It's kind of a rose gold right here. And then this one, I mean, for my extra product, I don't know. I don't know if these are really me either. They're not really my colors. So I think they're lip. Is that what it says? Lip. Always on duo. Maybe it's not lip. I don't have anything else to describe it because it wasn't on the card. So yeah, it is lip. highly pigmented. So anyway, there they are, the two bottom ones. I don't know if you could use them as eyeshadow or not. They don't feel, I don't know. They dry up, they dry easy. So anyway, am I going to keep my Chic Beauty subscription? No, I'm not. And I know it's great for other people. They love it. But when you make 2 mistakes and I have to be disappointed every time I get a box, then it's just not worth it, right? So, and plus I think the box is a little bit pricey. I've gotten much better boxes for less than $36. I think this is 34 or 36. Anyway, so not a lot to say about my Chic Beauty box. Disappointed, yeah. So there we go. Yeah. All right. But it's fun to get makeup. It's always fun for me. Anyway, I will add that. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. And if you have had better experiences with Chic Beauty, I'd love to hear that. Or even if you've had bad experiences, I don't care. Anyway, thanks, and we will see you guys all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye.